Right, today we're going to be looking at the educational section of puprime. Now, this is probably one of the most enticing features of puprime Broker. Now, not only do they have the lowest spreads and also some excellent commission prices, but if you are new to trading, you can learn directly inside their website. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that and where to go and how easy and simple this will be with puprime. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, so once we're in, this is the homepage. That's puprime.com. A link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. All you have to do is simply go to the very middle of these and click learn. Okay, so in the learn section, you will come over to education. We're going to click education. It gives us the whole broad spectrum then. It's called the Trading Education Hub. Okay, so they are saying it's a one-stop place to learn about trading, which I must admit I can confirm this is accurate as well. Okay, so trade your preferred market. So whether it's commodities, bonds, shares, indices, or metals, or even the largest and most liquid market in the world, which is personally what I trade, and that is Forex. So once you've clicked on that, it gives you a brief outline. Now, once you are logged in and signed up, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the videos and all the learning packages by simply signing up. Now, remember, it's such an easy process. You simply click sign up, fill in these details, and then you will have access to your account. Right now, if you want to get access to that Trading Academy, we go back up to learn. We scroll across to the puprime Trading Academy. Okay, now once you're in this section, scroll down and then you will have different trading strategies. These are multiple different articles which you can read and they give you the free strategies. But what we're looking for, because we're talking to complete beginners, is these video tutorials. Okay, so once you've clicked on that, it will redirect you to this page where it gives you already beginner's guide to financial trading. Now, once you've done that, you can go through the absolute basics, like what is a Forex lot, contract size explained, CFD trading, what is margin, etc, etc. Now you can go down to technical analysis, trading strategies, copy trading, and also prop trading. So like you see it here, they're nice and easy videos. They go through everything you need to. And when you want to test your knowledge, you can go to the quiz, or they do multiple different webinars and also some ebooks for you to download as well. Now, the ebooks are literally, like they say, these are online publications. You've got trading tips, managing risk, chart patterns coming soon, which they always are adding multiple new ones, Japanese candlesticks, and making discipline a habit. But there we have it, guys. That was puprime Educational Hub, a brief overview of what you can expect inside puprime Education. Right now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.